Uday, uday. Bus.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday at Cassie.
Happy birthday, Cassie.
Happy birthday, Cassie. Hi, Cassie. Happy birthday to you and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hi Cassie, happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Wish you happiness, good health, and lots of love. Thank you for being such a great cousin. Enjoy your birthday. I love you. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Cassie. Enjoy your birthday and always be good health. And laging sumunod sa mommy and daddy. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello, Cassie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Hey, Cassie.